Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations, and today we're looking at this. I have my entire computer screen being projected across the entire ceiling of this studio. It's 15 feet wide if it's an inch, and it's absolutely amazing. I'm going to talk about it, show you all about this amazing projector, and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, I got to check this out and tell you all about it. This is the projector DBPOWER RD820 mini projector. It's portable and it's absolutely amazing. And yes, I am projecting it practically 15 feet wide on the ceiling of the studios. Now, just bringing it right over here, you can see this thing is ultra bright, ultra fantastic, and it is tied directly into my laptop. So what do you need to know about it? Now, the first thing is the brightness is 80% brighter than other projectors, similar projectors in previous models. Also, it is super petite, like a tiny little projector producing tremendous power. The battery life, the bulb life is tens of thousands of hours, so you're never going to need to replace it. And it's absolutely fantastic. Now, personally, I love these. You can pretty much turn your garage into a movie theater. You can use the side of your house, turn into a movie theater, your ceiling. You can watch above the bed. You can do whatever you want, and it really gives you the power of a home theater for a very reasonable price. So it's easy to use. It's absolutely fantastic. You get the blackest blacks, the brightest brights. I know this is at night, filmed on a cell phone, so it isn't doing it justice. But one thing I will note is that the sound quality is so much better than anything I've had the opportunity to mess with. Now, I'll also tell you something really, really nice about this is the fact not only is the sound quality great, but it's got two HDMI ports. So I'm just going to put my Amazon Fire Stick in one port. I can either put my cable box in the other, or maybe I'll just put the HDMI to my computer, which is what you're seeing now. And pretty much anything that you can see on Amazon Prime or on your cable box is going right in. You've got a USB connection to power your Fire Stick or anything like that, your Roku stick, your Apple TV. Pretty much any type of TV can be played directly on this fantastic device. So you're going to want to pick one up today. Put all the stats on screen so you can see that, but really the picture quality is ultra bright. The image is great, and you know, you can play this whether it's pitch black or just dim in the room. You can see an amazing screen as large as you've ever wanted. So go ahead and order today. It's got easy adjustment of the keystone. It's got easy focus wheel on it. Everything. It's got the remote control and everything you'll ever need. So order today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. This is my new favorite projector. This is an Elite demonstration because I figure this is the best of the best, so you can forget the rest. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos. All right, folks, now it's time for an unboxing. I always do the unboxing at the end. I record it first, obviously. But, you know, I don't know any of the product details yet. So I'm going to take a few days to learn about this product before I do the rest of the video. But people do like the unboxing. It's like getting a Christmas gift, right? It's very therapeutic, very relaxing. And some people just want to know what it looks like before they buy. So I put the camera up where my eyes would be, so this is exactly what it would be like for you if you were purchasing this product. And I think that adds a little bit of value at the end of the videos. And again, I hope you found this video useful. So, very nice. This thing is a tiny little projector. Okay, there we go. And then it has all the cords and accoutrement you may need. Looks like an HDMI cable, the yellow, red, and white cables, and the power supply, as well as what would appear to be the little guy that goes right on the bottom here. It's usually where these go. Again, sometimes on these videos I don't know exactly what everything is when we first do the video. So basic information here, some instructions, tutorial type stuff, start guide, quick start guide, and of course the handy dandy carrying case. So go ahead and order yours today. You can see adjusting keystone and focus. Let me put that in there for you to see. Control everything on here. Here's all your outlets. A lot of people like to know 2 HDMI, AV, earphones, USB, and a 5-volt USB connection. And kind of the look of it. All right, folks, order yours today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam. Adios, amigos.